illegal. How do you see this?
Well, I think Bombay High Court was dealing with this issue since long. And somewhere in January, I think 2024, there was a split verdict between two judges. And one judge has declared it as unconstitutional on the ground that why should the government create some kind of a censorship for people to decide what to read and what not to read. So there was an elaborate judgment by Justice Patel at that point of time, and he declared the amendment in which the fact unit was created. And he says it is arbitrary, it is violative of Article 14, and 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India. But there was another view. And so therefore it was referred to a third judge. And now third judge has also given a very elaborate judgment. Now the verdict is 2:1, so it's a majority view. And the amendment has been declared to be unconstitutional on the ground of vagueness, because what is false and what is misleading has not been defined under the amendment. And what is the business of the government, because this restriction was only pertaining to the government information. So that also has not been explained under the Amendment Act. On that ground itself, now the third Honorable Judge of Bombay High Court has given a verdict. So according to the majority view now, the amendment is unconstitutional.
So what does it mean for the people, like overall?
Look, as of now, it is declared as unconstitutional, but at the same time, I think the Supreme Court has also stayed the operation of that notification, so it's not applicable. But once it is declared as constitutional, then it will become applicable. Then the fact check unit of the central government will decide as to what is the information which needs to be removed from the social media, and that unit will have the power to direct any social media like Instagram or X or Twitter, etc., to see what is, it's like a filtration process. Then that unit will decide what should be on the net and what should not be on the net. So as of now, the matter is sub judice. Although there is a judgment passed by the Bombay High Court, obviously the government will challenge it in the Honorable Supreme Court, and Supreme Court